Yo guys, Neb here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching all of you guys out there how to get monetized on YouTube and how to start making money the most efficient way possible as a small content creator. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah guys, let's get straight into the video. So guys, before we get into the tips, first I'm going to get into how to get monetized in order to actually start making money off of YouTube. The requirements on YouTube for monetization include 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, 1,000 subscribers, 2-step verification, and 0 community guideline strikes. So guys, now for this part of the video, I'm now going to be giving you guys tips on how you guys can hit that amount of subscribers and watch hours in order to become monetized. If you guys are already monetized on YouTube, then feel free to skip onto the part of the video where I talk about how you guys can make the most amount of money possible as a small content creator. So the two most difficult parts of getting monetized on YouTube are the 1,000 subscriber requirement and the requirement to have 4,000 watch hours. In my opinion, the number one way of getting subscribers easily with minimum effort is to upload YouTube Shorts. Many people don't like doing this as it doesn't look too clean when you look through your own videos. However, it's definitely the quickest way of gaining subscribers and also racking in a little bit of watch hours while you're doing it. Another great way of gaining subscribers on YouTube is to grow on another social media and try to transfer some of your following. For example, try to make like a TikTok page, gain some followers there, and then transfer those followers onto your YouTube. Maybe they won't watch too many of your videos, but they'll definitely subscribe as they're already following you on another social media. In terms of getting that 4,000 watch hours, my best advice would be trying to increase your video length. This means that people will have more video to watch, therefore giving you more watch time in return. Another thing that's going to really help you guys gain watch hours is bearing in mind how long people watch your video after it is uploaded. There's so many videos out there, including some of my own, which are only relevant to something that was happening at that time, which means they get loads of views for a couple days and then they just die instantly as soon as that video becomes irrelevant. A good example of this is a Fortnite tips video on a tournament that's happening just this weekend, but then never coming back. No one's going to watch it after the weekend, however many people will watch it just before the weekend, which means yeah, you'll get loads of view time while it's blowing up in the first 3 days, and then it will just get no view time while no one's watching it straight after the weekend. If you don't bear in mind how long it will live for, then you're more likely to have to upload way more videos instead of getting a kind of passive income of watch time, as people will still be watching your video weeks or months after you've uploaded it. Third tip in getting 4,000 watch hours is putting the main part, or the reason why people clicked on the video, a little further in order to make people watch more to get what they wanted to see, ultimately giving more watch time. What you've got to be careful about here though is making sure you're not putting it too far into the video to the point where it's making your view duration way too low, because people just get bored because they're not seeing what they want to see. Now once you've accumulated your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, providing that you've got 0 community guideline strikes and 2-step verification, then you can now go onto your YouTube studio, scroll down to where it says monetization and apply. You basically click that and then you make an AdSense account and they'll send you a link to do that, and this is where you'll be able to claim your money. Once you've made your account on AdSense, YouTube will then assess your account to see whether it's appropriate to be monetized, and then you have to wait up to a month for it to become accepted. However, you should probably take this lightly as it only took 2 days for my channel to be accepted. Now we've covered all of that, now I'm going to be talking about how you guys can make the most amount of money from YouTube when you're monetized. First of all, when enabling monetization, you want to make sure the adverts you choose to show on your videos are skippable. Because if people can't skip the adverts on your videos, then they'll probably get bored and skip the video without even watching it. This will reduce your video's average watch time, which will tell YouTube that it's not that interesting for users, and they'll be less likely to promote your content to people, giving you less views and therefore less money. When choosing background music for your videos, make sure to find channels or suppliers which give copyright-free music to allow your video to be monetized. Two good places to get music from are No Copyright Sounds and Perish Beats. Something that would also be good for you guys who are now newly monetized as small content creators would be to up your video time and break the 10-minute boundary. This means that not only you'll be able to put adverts at the start and the end of your video, but there'll now be time for adverts in the middle of your video as well. When you get the opportunity to put an advert in the middle of your video, make sure you put it just before the most important part of the video. This will make sure most people on the video will watch through the advert and then get onto the part they wanted to watch, instead of just clicking off the video at the appearance of an advert. In order to make the most money possible, make sure to do the videos that do best for your channel. Look back through your old videos and look for videos that stand out in terms of views and watch time, and try to replicate those videos to a more present time. If you do this consistently, you then start to get into a niche, and you're more likely this way to get sponsors, as you'll have a specific audience for a specific company. So guys, if you follow all these tips mentioned in today's video, I guarantee it will definitely help you guys out in making more money or just getting monetized on YouTube. If this video helped you guys out in any way, shape or form, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah guys, thanks so much for watching the video.